Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Sonia Kaushik and today I am with my one more student Siddharth from class 11. So let's see what he explains today. Yes Siddharth?
Ma'am, I have made a diagrammatic representation of nephron. We know that nephron is the structural and functional unit of our kidney, and it consists of two parts, glomerulus and the renal tubule. The glomerulus is a tuft of capillaries formed by the afferent arteriole, and the blood from the glomerulus is carried away by the efferent arteriole. Now the renal tubules begins with a double-walled cup-like structure known as Bowman's capsule, which encloses the glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule and glomerulus are together called as Malpighian body. Now Bowman's capsule continues further to a highly coiled uh, region which is known as proximal convoluted tubule or PCT. Now the next part which comes is a hairpin-like structure known as Henle's loop.
This yellow one is called loop of Henle or Henle.
It is also of two parts, descending limb and ascending limb. After the ascending limb, there comes a highly coiled tubular region known as distal convoluted tubule or DCT. The DCTs of many nephrons open into a straight line body known as collecting duct. This collecting duct then converges and opens into the renal pelvis um, through medullary pyramids in the calyces.
Okay, so Beta, tell me the role of loop of Henle because in some organism this loop of Henle is short in nature and in some organism it is quite large or long you can say. So is there any specific role of loop of Henle?
Uh,
Loop of Henle is basically related to concentration of urine. Alright, the organism that can concentrate their urine according to their water uptake, so they can have a hypertonic or hypotonic urine. Right? So all this is related with this U-shaped structure or hairpin loop-like structure, that is loop of Henle.
one part is also left when the efferent arterioles forms a fine branch of capillaries. That is known as peritubular capillaries, and the minute vessels runs parallel to the loop of Henle, and it is U-shaped and it is known as vasa recta.
Okay, so when we called the filtrate urine, as urine, because when the blood comes here in glomerulus and it filters here in the region of Bowman capsule, this is called glomerular filtrate. So when we call this filtrate as urine, in which part when this filtrate comes and we call it urine? Here. When the filtrate comes in the collecting duct, then it is called urine. Alright, and it have a yellow color pigment, urochrome, that's why urine is yellow in color. And one more important thing, this glomerulus and Bowman capsule, they forms a structure that is called Malpighian tubule. Alright, so and this network of blood capillaries is called pars recta. This is loop of Henle is called vasa recta and this is called pars recta. One more name is given to that. Alright. So very good. This is all about a nephron, the structural and functional unit of kidney. So can you tell us how many nephrons are present?
Ma'am, more than million.
Million of nephrons are present. Alright. So this is Siddharth from class 11th medical and I hope you like this video. Goodbye.